Good morning. It's another day. We're gonna try to play with some new toys today. Got the tripod thingy and that camera from the last video that we did the test with. I think I kind of got it figured out. Kind of, sort of, almost got this camera kind of working kind of the way it should, sort of right. But I don't know for sure. Let's kind of see what happens, I guess. And now to start our day today, I gotta get some more things off these walls, get the car, and see if you guys can guess where we're going. So if you haven't figured it out, we're gonna go see AJ, bring him some stuff, make some noise, hopefully. We'll hook it all up, see if it works, and we'll go from there. All right, come on, let's go, come on. It's a little annoying, having the PA system on my seat. Turn the airbag on. You're listening to that thing beep the whole way there? What's up, dude? How you doing today? Bunch of boom booms. Oh fuck. Boom boom. So anyways, we're here. Check it out. We're at AJ's place, and I brought him some music stuff, and we're gonna change this room. You can see all the stuff around here into some sort of cool
studio, whatever,
where we can
chill,
we can make noise and
whatever looks cool.
Bring a better party to you guys.
Yeah.
We're talking about what this room's gonna be for and how we're gonna set it up. Like, I know that we're gonna do some videos in here, AJ's music. We gotta have room in here for the boys to chill and hang out. And also too, this is kind of like AJ's place of zen, like how my garage is for me. So we gotta make sure it's a comfortable spot for him to chill out and meditate. I think we're totally the wrong direction, but
Yeah. Let's see if we do this. Put it down. Flip it around the other way.
Love it. What happened to my phone room?
Surprise!
Oh.
okay, so we got the drum kit set up. Next step is the big desk, where we're gonna put everything on so you can access it and do stuff, and hopefully record some videos, maybe do some live stuff, you know, get all crazy. You say you wanna get crazy?
Yeah, well, yeah, for sure.
That's it. That was so much energy in there. Yeah. A for effort. Good effort. Good effort. Yeah. We got drum. We got a desk. Next step is
The rest. So I can use that to mix whatever I'm mixing on top here. So I can use this to make it finishing touches.
Yeah. Okay, so this is kind of how you're gonna set it up, this too?
Sort of, yeah. With a bunch of other stuff on here too.
Okay, let's hook it up. Where's all the wires? Got to use that one. That's a good button.
Yeah. What about cheap? Probably the reason why I'm watching.
You're getting somewhere.
I'm in process still. Maybe car hooks, put everything on the walls.
So that's one good thing done today. Kind of took up the whole day, but that's okay. So we're gonna have a big party in here, 6,000 people.
Oh yeah, it's like 6,000 people can fit in here.
We're gonna go back downstairs. We're gonna try to open up some garage doors.
Well, it's gonna be a fun garage door to open too.
We're gonna take a look at that project we're gonna start working on real soon. Hopefully sooner than we think. Okay, so what we think we're looking at, it's a 1988 Toyota Supra. It's a Mark III. This car belonged to our brother, and I'm not going to get into it now why it's going to be an important build. When we start this project, we're going to do a whole story about it. You're going to know exactly why we're doing it. We have a chassis, it needs love. Hopefully it's clean. We're gonna start digging into it, looking into it, seeing what we got. We desperately need to find a motor.
Yeah.
So what I think we're gonna do, our first plan of attack is gonna be to really check the car out, look the body over everywhere, see if it's solid, get everything we need to have a perfect rolling chassis together, like brakes, bushing, suspension, make sure everything is working good. And this is AJ's problem, but I'll try to help him out a little bit.
Yeah, I'll be bringing it over to his place too often. It'll be funny.
Once I figure out what I'm doing with the RX-7, we're gonna wheel this in, we're gonna pull it out of the garage here. Okay, so I wanna get underneath this thing and look at it a little bit. So I'm gonna
Right back into
Mom, why are you hiding in the trees? Take two. So lighting in here is absolutely horrible, but we'll make do with what we have and try to see what we can see. Me being the smart cookie that I am, figured out if I can't fit my fat head underneath the car, I could fit my little cell phone underneath. Use the camera to see what's underneath the floors and everything else. There's that hashtag problem solver for you. What are you doing? I'm checking out the seat spots. Ta-da! Pull it! Be a man! Alright, you just have to lift it. Oh, shocks still work. The puzzle. Mom, we need all your Tupperware.
Oh no!
Next time, we'll wheel it out of the garage, we'll lift it up, check everything, like make a big list of what we need. See if the brakes have any kind of pressure. Yeah, fuel lines, and that kind of thing. See if we can make it basically a safe rolling chassis and go from there. Then we can do the body work and fun stuff and order body kits and mags and lights and scoops and wings and vents. Tan lines. In a rush, you go to Barrel on Grill for your automotive care. That brings our day to an end. Get more fuel because I have literally burnt through an entire tank of gas in 2 days. Today I brought a bunch of stuff to AJ, some sound systems so that he can start working on his music and he can start jamming out some tunes, because I'm hoping that someday soon he's going to be doing the music for these videos that you're watching. We had another look at his Supra he's going to build. I was a little worried about it, to be honest, but
From what I've seen, it looks solid. We'll know more when the video is being edited. 1 second, please. Thank you. So yeah, the car looks like it's in better shape than I thought it was. So we're gonna concentrate on the body, then we'll worry about getting an engine. I'm hoping by then, like my buddies, my sources can pull together something really cool. You want to go 5-speed? It's an automatic right now. 5-speed will definitely be an improvement. You guys watching this shit? Don't look. Ta-da. Like I was saying, the car looks like a good platform to start with. I think it'll actually be fun to work on because it's not a big rusted piece of shit. Hopefully nothing seized on it. We can make something really cool out of it. Like it could be a pretty sweet looking car, I think. So it's the end of the day. I'm going home. Had a great time hanging out with my brother, my crazy mom. I'll check you guys later. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. It would mean the world to me. Any questions, anything, drop it in the comment section. Give it a big fat thumbs up and we'll see you guys next time. Peace. Stay happy.
No.